Uber shares, they're rallying today. Bill Baruch using options to capture even more upside, he hopes. Let's get to his strategy in a new segment we are calling Your Best Option. What do you have?
Well, Uber's come pretty sharply off its highs, somewhat of an unwelcomed earnings report, worry about saturation in driving. So I find this as opportunity as it's moved lower. And if you're going to trade options, you want to be very technical as well, because your timing is a factor. So use technicals for precision. I'm looking at Uber testing into its late 21, early 2022 high as being support. And the last couple of sessions, it's been sort of just sideways and left a tail on the top in the bottom. That type of indecision in market direction can really help bottom out a downward move. So I started speculating earlier this week with the $70 calls from August 16th expiration. I am adding to that position today, and I'm buying the $75 calls for August and then selling the $85 calls for August, in effect of what is a call spread. So about $2.40, I'm buying those calls, and I'm selling the others for about 70 cents. What I'm doing is reducing the cost, and if you look at the cost of that is about $1.70. For back of the napkin math, to kind of understand if you have good value in an option spread, you look at the width of the spread, which in this case is $10 wide. So you divide that cost of the option into $10, and I want to see that answer being at least 4. And here we're looking at it as above 5. So I see that as good value, and looking for Uber to continue to rebound here. If that were the case, then this is something I'll be looking to double my money on.
So the stock's down, 5% in a month. Do you feel like you're not capable of having a move or a catalyst until the next earnings report because the last one was so decisive in deciding the near-term direction of the name?
I think there's such tremendous momentum behind this name, what we've seen here in the last 9 months out of it. I think the bigger, larger story for Uber is its growth rate and revenue growth at 20 to 30%. I think you're looking at what's really the biggest catalyst here, I think is the bigger move, and that's going to be help sustain this move higher. Looking at a response to support, that's what I'm leading into right here.
Okay. You have an opinion on this? Anybody else on Uber? I mean, it's been such a popular stock. Weiss owned it, he sold it. Josh Brown, I think it's still one of his largest positions.
Right. Well, it's a name that is obviously on a tear. It came down, but now you see that little, U shape there. So I think it's just about whether they can keep their pricing high.
Yeah. Well, that's worry is the saturation of driving right now. They're going to potentially spin off the freight business. And I misspoke. It was the EBITDA growth target of 30 to 40%. 30 to 40%. I think you look at that as being something like that as being the anchor of why this has moved, the profitability this company has taken. I think there's a larger story here. But what I'm looking at is I bought options for now, it is a top 10 name in portfolios. We own it for clients in portfolios. And as I trade options, I'm looking for this as a more precise rebound off of this support level and retest to $75 to $80.
All right, good stuff.